Hey Nigel, I'm stuck. I really wish I could just understand how to do this. But so these are going to be the list of bids in sorted order. And right now I have a hyperlink here. So you're able to click on this and you get the proposal, which is actually down here off the screen. You can't see it. There it is. So it's down here. The problem is that people are submitting more than one. So when I'm clicking on this one, for example, this is a fake one. I did this under the new house. Sorry, I'll show you where this is just in case you have to reference it. You can just go to the home page, and then it's just this one. So this one has two proposals in it, so it might, whatever, it doesn't matter, it's just two PDFs. When you click on it, the URL doesn't know what it is, so it's giving me this access denied stuff. So my solution is to, instead of having this where you can click on it, which I currently do, which I'll just turn off, click to an external URL or something, what I'm hoping to do is the user can just click on this, and if you just throw the file in there, I just, for whatever reason, I have no idea how to get it from this cell up there. So this one's two, so it just have two files, and then I'll style it for whatever, Excel, Word, or whatever. So that's all I'm thinking is the solution. If you could tell me, I'm very curious, how do you get the information from this cell to a pop-up group? I mean, I tried some things with regards to send data. You know, I don't know what it is. Elements, display data, and read. I tried literally everything. So, all right. Appreciate your help. Thank you.